Here's a great tip to make sure you don't overspend whilst using replicate.com. So on the main screen, go up to your profile, which is in the top left corner, or your username up here, click on it, and then select account settings. Now once you're on this page, go down to the billing option, which is the third down on the left-hand side. And then it'll start to load your invoices and things like that. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll get this section called spend limit. And this is it is what it sounds like. It's a limit you can enter in the equivalent of US dollars. And that's a monthly spend limit that will ensure that you don't go over your set budget. Now, if you do get to the end of the month or the billing cycle, it will automatically reset to the same amount again, and you'll carry on going within your budget. But if you hit it beforehand and you run out, to generate more images, you'll have to, or more assets, whatever you're using, you'll have to come in and either amend this up or take it back to zero. To sort of have it open-ended. But I just think it's a great feature to have, because it's, as much as I think it's quite an economical way of using a different AI services, it can run away with you sometimes when you're sort of having fun and just prompting things. So changing this to have like a limit based on your own finances is just a really good safety net to have.